Hey everyone, and welcome to Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix most Windows 10 or Windows 11 update errors with a few simple solutions in no time. So the first thing you can try is restart your computer. I know this sounds a bit simple, but nevertheless it will fix your errors most of the time. So press the Windows button, click on the power icon and select the restart option. After restarting, just check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon. Now click on System on the left pane, and then on the right side scroll down until you find the Troubleshoot category and just click on it. Now in here, make sure to click on Other Troubleshooters, and lastly click on the Run button next to Windows Update. Windows will now try to detect for any issues and fix them as soon as possible. Afterwards, you can just restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, you can also reset the Windows Update components. To do this, press the Windows button, type in cmd, then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in here, make sure to copy paste the following commands that I posted in the description below, but press enter after each command. So don't copy all of them all at once, copy each command, press enter, then copy the next command. So basically the first set of commands will stop certain services related to Windows Update. Afterwards, what you have to do is rename two folders in the Windows folder. This is the software distribution and cat root 2. So you can do this directly in command prompt. Just copy paste the following commands that I posted in the next set. Afterwards, after they are renamed, you have to start once again the services. So copy paste the third set of commands that I posted in the description below, one by one, press enter, and then you can restart your computer after this whole process and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, you can also free up disk space. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in disk cleanup, and then select it as an application from the search results. In here, select the drive that you want to clean up. Of course, it's the drive where you have Windows installed, so press on OK. Now in here, click on Clean up system files. Once again, select the drive where you have Windows installed and press on OK. You'll see that this cleanup will calculate how much you have on your C drive or Windows drive. And now in here, make sure to tick any box that seems to have too much space occupying for nothing. Like the previous Windows installations option, tick it. You can see it's 19 gigabytes, which is quite a lot. Then click on OK and you can permanently delete these files because they are not needed. Afterwards, you will see that Windows will clear up a lot of space on your PC, and you can try and check if the problem still persists. Next in line, another useful solution is to update your drivers. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options, and in here make sure to update any problematic driver that can interfere with your Windows update process. Let's just do an example. I'll show you how to update the display adapters. So expand the current section, right-click on the problematic device and select the Update Driver option. Now in here, click on Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will try to locate the best available drivers already on your PC. And you can just close this window, restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to perform an SFC and DISM scan. To do this, press the Windows button, type in cmd and run command prompt as an administrator. Now in here, make sure to copy paste the fourth batch that I posted in the description below. So copy each command one by one, then press on enter after each command. Wait a bit because the scans can take a bit of time, then restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more quality content. Thanks for watching.